Hi everyone, this is April 21st, 2023 and the time is 3:13 p.m. I'm at the Angus MacDonald Library at St. Francis Xavier University on my last official day of university here, and this is my message to future me, or basically everyone on the internet, for the year 2040. And these are my predictions of what it's going to be like from a technological perspective exactly 17 years from now. So, hope I am as correct as anyone can be. This is just a view of everything out here. And I am the only person who is left in the library right now, since everyone's probably gone home. But this is where I'll make my prediction. I'm in the Hall of Clans, or as some students call it, the Harry Potter room. So hopefully 17 years from now, the library at StFX is still around. I hope so. Spent a lot of time here, so I'm hoping it's still around 17 years from now. So yeah, let's get started with my predictions for what's going to happen 17 years from now. Prediction number 1, no more local processors for any device. So I'm recording this on a S21 FE, and instead all the processing is going to happen on the cloud. So essentially all our devices are going to turn into displays, and that's it. They won't need to have as much processing power or even battery locally. Everything will happen remotely as much as possible. So we would only be using displays. So phones are going to become slimmer, maybe as thin as paper, who knows, depends on the technology. But this is my prediction. We are not going to have a lot of local processors for personal devices like phones and watches. Second prediction, AR and VR headsets are going to become more widespread, and maybe they're going to become the next personal computing. So you can store it in your pocket and then take them out when you need them. Right now Facebook has been pretty unsuccessful with all the metaverse stuff, but I expect 17 years from now that is not going to be the case, and there's going to be a lot more competition. We're going to have foldable, very portable and foldable AR and VR headsets that are going to be the future. Prediction number 3, we are seeing a lot of foldable smartphones these days. There's a new technology today, and I expect that 17 years from now they're going to become the new smartphones. Everyone's going to have a foldable phone, and like I said, this you won't have as much processing being done locally, so that's going to make the things easier. Prediction number 4, interactive movies are going to come out. So essentially they'll be games, but instead of being animated, they would be acted in production. So basically interactive games, but acted, so much more realistic. So we won't be having those graphical problems anymore. Fifth one, consoles or physical consoles will be a thing of the past. Everything will be cloud-based gaming, and that's basically it. Short form video has become the dominant form of media information right now, and I expect that's probably going to be the case even 17 years from now. We're seeing a lot of large language models that have come out, like ChatGPT from OpenAI, and a lot of other stuff. I expect that we'll be able to do a lot more with them. So for instance, you'll be able to develop games or movies without coding. Just give them prompts, and not only right now we can get images out of it, but I expect 17 years from now we can have movies and games out of it. So you just give in the prompt and it makes a game for you in whatever setting that you want it to be. Another prediction that I have, which I hope it's wrong, but this is what my prediction is, that self-driving cars will not be common, and they've still not been successfully solved because it's a really difficult problem to solve. So level 5 autonomous driving has not been fully achieved. This is my prediction as well. I hope I'm wrong, but that is what I'm going to go for. And like I mentioned, large language models have become very popular these days, and that is exactly what we're going to see as well. 17 years from now. So these are my predictions for technology. Now we'll move to my predictions for the university, and what the university is probably going to be like 17 years from now when I'm 42 years old. Wow. Yeah. I expect that Immaculata Hall and Annex will no longer be around. They'll either be demolished and replaced with a new building, or they'll just not be around. They'll probably just be demolished. The Student Union building will also not be around. I'm expecting, I don't know if that's going to be the case, but this is what my prediction is. There are going to be 3 new buildings. The Health Sciences building has been announced, and I expect that to be completed. And in addition to that, there are going to be 2 more buildings at the university. The X-ray will still be a thing. People will still buy it. People will still use it. I'm guessing that is something that will be unchanged. And the library, I hope, is still around here. It's still something that you can come to, especially to this beautiful Hall of Clans. And Wellspring also, I think it's still going to be around, which is terrific. Yeah, that's basically it. I hope to be back 17 years from today on April 21st once more, just to see how the university is, how it's changed, and yeah, maybe meet some old friends, old professors if they're still here. And yeah, that's it. That's all that I'm looking forward to. And hopefully I still have this sweater that I got in the first year of my university over here. Yeah. See you all 17 years from today. Goodbye.